Hello and welcome to Someka Google Sheets tips video. Here's how to merge cells in Google Sheets. When we want to combine two or more cells and create a larger one, we can merge cells. Here's how to do it. I have my sales numbers and revenues for three products for demonstration purposes. So in this case, we want to separate sales and revenue. First, select the cells you want to merge. Then on the top menu, go to Format. Then go to Merge Cells. Then click on Merge All. Let's repeat the process for revenue. Go to Format, then Merge Cells. You can also use Merge Cells button. Select the cells you want to merge, then click on the Merge Cells button to create a larger cell, like this. You can make three different types of merging. You can merge all, which will combine all the selected cells into a larger cell. Just select the cells you want to merge, then choose Merge All under the Merge Cells button, and it will combine all the selected cells into a larger cell. And if you want, you can merge the cells horizontally. Just select the cells, then choose Merge Horizontally, like this. And you can also use vertical merge. Just select the cells and click on the Merge Vertically option under Merge button. There are some points that you should keep in mind while merging. Merging cells may cause losing data if the merged cells are not empty, except the first cell on the left. So always make sure the rest of the cells are empty. Google Sheets will give you a warning if you are about to merge cells with data, like this. Also, the cells you want to merge must be equal in size, otherwise cells won't merge into one. And lastly, if you use lots of complex formulas and calculations, we don't recommend merging cells as it may mess up your calculations. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.